Most AI image tools are quietly limiting you. Slow generations, locked features, and premium paywalls for results that still look average. So I decided to test a platform that claims to give you GPT Image 2, multiple top-tier models, and fast, uncensored generation, all in one place. But here's the real question. Does it actually deliver? Or is it just another overhyped AI tool? This is the website where you can access GPT Image 2. And as you can see right here, it supports multiple models like Seedance 2.0, GPT Image 2, VO3, Nano Banana, Kling, and SeedReam. And honestly, this is what makes it so powerful. It's an all-in-one AI platform packed with advanced tools. So today, we're going to test out GPT Image 2, and I'll show you exactly what it can do. Once you get into the interface, you'll notice how clean and simple everything is. From here, you can create AI videos using different models, and you can also generate high-quality AI images using tools like Seedream, Nano Banana, Chrome Edits, and of course GPT Image 2. But for this video, we're focusing on GPT Image 2. Right here is where you upload your reference image. And this is the prompt box. This is where everything happens. Make sure your prompt is detailed, because the better your prompt, the better your results. You can also customize your aspect ratio. There are multiple options available depending on what you want. You can adjust the resolution and even select the output quality. So what I'm going to do now is add my reference image and enter my prompt. All right, I've added my prompt. Again, make sure it's very detailed. And I'm using a 16:9 aspect ratio. Now let's generate. And just like that, it's done. Take a look at this, super crisp, very detailed. If we zoom in closer, you can really see how powerful GPT Image 2 is on this platform. Let me regenerate it again so you can compare results. And here's the second image. One thing I really like about this platform is the speed. It generates results incredibly fast, without sacrificing quality. If you want to start creating high-quality AI images like this, I'll leave everything you need in the description below. Check out the website. Also, let me know in the comments, what do you think about GPT Image 2? And what should I test next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tool that could completely change your workflow. I'll see you in the next one.